Your house is quietly stealing money from you right now, and you probably have no idea. That weird sound your furnace makes, the one you keep ignoring, could turn into a $5,000 repair bill by winter. That little water stain on your ceiling you painted over instead of fixing, it is still growing behind the wall. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through 10 home maintenance mistakes that homeowners make every single day in 2026. Mistakes that seem harmless but end up draining thousands of dollars out of your bank account. Number 7 is the one almost nobody thinks about until it's too late, and it could be happening in your house right now. Before we get into it, if you own a home or you are planning to buy one soon, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I break down real money-saving home tips every week, no fluff, just the stuff that actually protects your wallet. Now let's get into it. Introduction. Owning a home in 2026 is expensive enough with insurance costs climbing and repair labor prices going up almost every quarter. The homeowners who stay ahead financially are not the ones with the biggest budgets. They're the ones who avoid these 10 specific mistakes. Let's go through them one by one, starting with the one that is probably happening in your kitchen right now. Mistake 1: ignoring small leaks. A dripping faucet or a slightly damp spot under the sink feels like a minor annoyance, something you will deal with eventually. But a leak that drips once every couple of seconds can waste thousands of gallons of water a year, and that shows up directly on your water bill. Worse, hidden leaks behind walls or under floors create the perfect environment for mold, and mold remediation alone can cost several $1,000s depending on how far it has spread. The fix is simple. The moment you notice moisture where it should not be, trace it back to the source and repair immediately. A $10 washer today can save you from a $10,000 mold problem later. Mistake 2: skipping HVAC filter changes. Your HVAC system is one of the most expensive pieces of equipment in your home, and it is also one of the most neglected. A dirty filter forces your system to work harder, which spikes your energy bill and shortens the lifespan of the unit. Most manufacturers recommend changing filters every 1 to 3 months, yet a huge number of homeowners go a full year without touching them. In 2026, with energy prices still elevated in many regions, a clogged filter can add real dollars to your monthly bill without you ever noticing why. Set a recurring reminder on your phone. It takes 2 minutes, and it protects a system that can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 to replace. Mistake 3: neglecting gutter cleaning. Gutters seem like a cosmetic afterthought until water starts pooling around your foundation. Clogged gutters send water straight down the side of your house instead of away from it, and over time that water seeps into your foundation, your basement, and your crawl space. Foundation repair is one of the most expensive fixes a homeowner can face, often running into the tens of thousands depending on severity. Cleaning your gutters twice a year, once in spring and once in fall, is one of the cheapest insurance policies you can buy for your home. Mistake 4: not sealing windows and doors. Air leaks around windows and doors are silent money drains. You crank the heat or the air conditioning, and a huge portion of that conditioned air just escapes through tiny gaps you cannot even see. A simple tube of caulk and a roll of weather stripping costs less than $20 total, yet they can cut your energy loss dramatically. Homeowners who never check their seals often blame their utility company for high bills, when the real culprit is a drafty window frame they walk past every day without noticing. Mistake 5: power washing with surfaces incorrectly. This one surprises a lot of people. Power washing your deck or with siding feels productive, but using too much pressure or the wrong nozzle can strip the protective finish right off the wood and force water deep into the grain. That trapped moisture leads to rot, warping, and eventually full-bore replacement. If you're going to power wash wood, use a wide fan tip, keep a safe distance, and reseal the surface afterward. Otherwise, you are paying to damage your own deck. Mistake 6: ignoring small roof issues. A missing shingle or a small area of granule loss looks minor from the ground, so most people ignore it. But roofs fail from the inside out. Once water finds a way under a compromised shingle, it can travel and damage the decking, the insulation, and eventually the ceiling below, all without a visible leak appearing for months. By the time you see a stain on your ceiling, the damage has usually been happening for a long time. A quick annual roof inspection, even just from binoculars on the ground, can catch problems while there's still a $200 fix instead of $15,000 roof replacement. Mistake 7: not maintaining your water heater. Here is the one almost nobody thinks about. Most water heaters have a layer of sediment building up at the bottom of the tank over time, especially in areas with hard water. That sediment forces a unit to work harder to heat water, raises your energy bill, and dramatically shortens the lifespan of the tank. A standard water heater is supposed to last around 10 to 15 years, but sediment buildup can cut that lifespan nearly in half. Flushing your water heater once a year takes about 30 minutes, and it is one of the most overlooked maintenance tasks in any home. Skip it long enough, and you are looking at an unexpected replacement that can cost well over $1,000, often at the worst possible time, like a cold morning with no hot water. Mistake 8: DIY electrical work without knowledge. Watching a 5-minute video does not make someone qualified to rewire an outlet or install a new light fixture safely. Electrical mistakes are not just expensive. They are genuinely dangerous, and faulty DIY wiring is a leading cause of house fires. Even if nothing catastrophic happens, incorrect wiring can trip breakers constantly, damage appliances, and create issues that a licensed electrician then has to undo before fixing the original problem, which ends up costing more than if you call a professional from the start. Save the DIY energy for the safe stuff, and leave electrical work to someone licensed. Mistake 9: neglecting caulk and grout in bathrooms. Bathroom caulk and grout seem purely cosmetic, but they are actually a critical water barrier. Once caulk cracks or grout starts crumbling, water sneaks behind tiles and under flooring, leading to hidden rot and mold growth that can spread for months before it becomes visible. Bathroom repairs involving subfloor replacement are notoriously expensive because so much has to be torn out to fix what is underneath. Recalking a shower takes an afternoon and costs less than the price of a nice dinner out, yet it protects against repairs that can run into the thousands. Mistake 10: delaying pest control. A few ants in the kitchen or a single mouse sighting feels like a nuisance you can put off dealing with, but pests rarely stay small. Termites can cause structural damage that insurance often will not fully cover, and rodents chew through wiring, insulation, and even plumbing lines. What starts as an inexpensive pest control visit can turn into major structural repair if the problem is left unaddressed for a season or two. The moment you notice signs of pests, even small ones, it is worth getting ahead of it rather than hoping it resolves on its own. So there you have it, 10 maintenance mistakes that quietly cost homeowners real money every year. The good news is every single one of these is preventable, and most of them take less than an hour to check or fix. If this helped you spot something in your own home, do me a favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more homeowners who need to hear this. Drop a comment and let me know which one of these you're guilty of. I read every single one. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe so you never miss the next one. I will see you in the next video.